Our mission at iPipeline is to dramatically improve how insurance is sold. And we underline the word sold because our focus is supporting agents and distributors in the selling of insurance. Now, to accomplish this mission, it takes a full understanding of what makes our insurance industry really not like the others. First of all, it's complex. Regulations vary by carriers and state and products. The application forms are complex and often result in a stop and start process that involves many third-party vendors, and the products are really complicated. And as a result, a lot of customers tend to need to be educated by agents, and this is why our industry supports an agent-centric model, because interesting enough, insurance is traditionally sold and not bought. Third, the tools that agents use to sell are often fragmented because they're provided by carriers in a proprietary nature or offered through small vendors. They're very rarely integrated together. So if you look at every step in the insurance process between the consumer all the way through the carrier and really look at these steps grouped by marketing, selling, and processing, each category has a large amount of time associated with it. And it's iPipeline's responsibility and why we exist to challenge each of these steps so that we can make selling insurance really easier, faster, and more accurate. At the end of the day, we have proven that our technology cuts costs, drives revenue, and increases productivity. Now, we accomplish this goal, and then how we do it is by leveraging our distribution network. And our technology supports both the single carrier and the multi-carrier environment. Our carriers pay us a subscription to electronically feed us the content on a daily basis. And I would say that this content is really defined as everything that the agent needs to be able to sell. That'd be rates, forms, product information, underwriting guidelines, pending status. What we do is we aggregate that content from over 150 insurance companies and really have amassed the largest insurance repository in the world. We then build technology tools to surround this content and embed these tools into other people's websites. Carriers then rely on us to syndicate that content directly out to their agent portal or also their distributor sites, whether that's a BGA, bank, wirehouse, PNC, or financial institution. Currently, we have over 1,200 distributor customers who pay us an annual subscription to use these tools. And then that results in over 475,000 agents who access our tools to generate millions of consumer transactions per year. Our solutions are also designed to support not only the career agent sales model, but also direct-to-consumer. So let's really talk about how we organize our products. Our solutions strategy is connecting really people from the consumer to the carrier, and this starts by connecting offices. There's the front office, and this is how the agent interacts with their consumer. We have the mid-office that helps agents process their applications with a distributor or even their general agent. And then there's the back office, which is all the systems that a carrier uses to process insurance, including the policy admin system. And although we're not in the policy admin business, clearly our products touch these systems continually to exchange and digest data. When we look about how these products are then grouped around these offices, we start with the front office. And we have tools that help determine the client's need, how much insurance they need, to assess their health class really in the field, so we then also can help them look up the product details. Since every consumer requires a quote or an illustration, we become the largest illustration vendor in the United States with millions of quotes generated annually. You need to apply for coverage, so 50 carriers have selected us to build and support their e-app, allowing them to electronically complete, e-sign, and e-submit their applications. And we also maintain the largest repository of insurance forms in PDF format. As we shift to our mid-office tools, they include an agency management system, enabling case managers to really record and track all the applications they have in underwriting from various carriers. Also, our integrations into our leading CRM system allows those sales managers to effectively really track their agent relationships as well as drive a lot of marketing campaigns. The back office tools include our data services, and this is really where we enable carriers to push valuable data to the field. such as licensing and appointment information, pending case status, commissions, and in-force fees. And then there's e-policy delivery, where policies can be delivered electronically, not only for e-signature, but also e-payment. And lastly, our policy order services allows a carrier to enable their consumers to electronically make policy changes really online. Now, our products can be licensed individually, or they can be integrated together as in a single experience on our Velocity platform as a suite. Now, we recognize that our tools must support multiple agent selling styles, that agent flexibility is key to us. And whether they really sell with an assistant or without, or whether they're online or offline, maybe face-to-face or even over the phone, or whether they choose to use an e-app or e-signature, we don't want them to have to change how they sell to use our technology. Our product spectrum expands across annuities, life, and specialty markets, everything from a fixed and deferred annuity through really simple and complex life products, as well as specialty products that range from med-sup even to mutual funds. So what differentiates us really amongst our competitors? Well, it's our customers, and we have proven to the industry that the large carriers, both career and brokerage insurance companies, as well as their distributors, can rely on us to deliver tools that cut cost, really drive their revenue, and increase their profitability. It's also our stability. We have 10 offices in the United States, Canada, the UK, and Japan, with over 400 employees. We've been in business since 1995, and many of our products have been internationalized for translation into other languages. Lastly, our strengths center around our people and our experience. Our focus continues to be on insurance only and the valuable content that we maintain. We also surround that content with world-class products architected on a SaaS-based technology platform. And our distribution network really enables us to penetrate deep into those selling channels. Our customers are probably the brightest minds in the industry, and we get the full benefit of their overall collaboration. And lastly, our partners and integration rounds out what finally sets us apart from our competition.